Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to convert any image into pixelated image without using any third-party software in Windows PC. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one image file here, so let me show you firstly. So you can see this is a non-pixelated image. So how you can make this image into a pixelated image. So for this what you need to do is just right mouse click on this Raspberry image file and just select this open with, and now just select this pen software. So now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl+A to select the entire image file, and now just place your mouse cursor on this small square icon. Now you can see diagonally two arrow icons appearing. Now just drag it to the bottom. So I have dragged it to this much size. You can select a smaller or little bigger size depending upon how much pixelated you want to apply. And now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl and X to cut this selected image. And now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl+B, and now just place your mouse cursor on this small square icon again, and once you see this diagonally arrow icon appearing, now just keep on dragging again. And now click on the outside image. So now you can see the image has been pixelated. So now just click on this file and click on this save as. So you can save it as PNG, JPG, BMP, GIF or other formats also depending upon your needs. And say let me give you a new name. Click on save. Now you can close this Paint program. So now let us compare side by side. So now you can see here the left side is the normal image, that is a non-pixelated image, and the right side is a pixelated image. So by using these cool tricks you can easily convert any image into pixelated image without using any third-party software in Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.